Want to make extra cash? The internet makes it possible. You don't need special skills, you can earn money from home, it's easy to start. Let's explore some simple methods. Many people dream of working from home. Earning money online is flexible. You can set your own hours. It's a great way to earn extra income. Let's get started. Let's talk about easy ways to make money online. These methods are beginner-friendly. You can start earning today. No special skills are required. First up, we have online surveys. Companies want your opinion. They will pay you for it. You can sign up for survey websites, answer questions and earn rewards. Another easy option is selling your stuff. Do you have clothes you don't wear? What about old electronics? You can sell them online. Platforms like eBay make it easy. List your items and start earning. Let's talk more about surveys. Surveys are a fantastic way to share your opinions and get rewarded for it. They are simple, straightforward, and can be done from the comfort of your home. Many platforms offer paid surveys. These platforms connect you with companies that are eager to hear your thoughts on a wide range of topics, from products to services and even advertisements. They want to know what you think. Your feedback helps them improve and innovate, making your opinions incredibly valuable. You get paid for sharing your opinion. The more surveys you complete, the more you can earn, turning your spare time into a profitable venture. Sign up for a few different websites. This increases your chances of receiving more survey invitations, giving you more opportunities to earn. This will give you more opportunities. Each platform offers different surveys, so being active on multiple sites can maximize your earnings. You can earn gift cards or cash. Some platforms even offer other rewards like discounts or free products, adding more value to your participation. It's a fun and easy way to make money. You can do it while watching TV, during a break, or whenever you have a few spare minutes. Market research is similar to surveys. It involves sharing your thoughts and opinions, but often in a more detailed and interactive way. Companies need feedback on products. They rely on consumers like you to tell them what works and what doesn't, helping them create better products. They want to know what consumers like you think. Your insights can lead to improvements and innovations in the products you use every day. You can participate in focus groups. These sessions are often more engaging and can offer higher rewards than standard surveys. You can also test products at home. This allows you to experience new products firsthand and provide detailed feedback. It's a great way to earn and share your thoughts. By participating in surveys and market research, you can make a difference and get rewarded for your time and opinions. Section 4. Selling your stuff. Turning clutter into cash. Do you have items lying around that you no longer use? It's time to turn that clutter into cash. Selling online is a great way to declutter. Not only does it help you free up space, but it also gives your unused items a new home where they can be appreciated. You can also make some extra cash. It's a win-win. Imagine turning those old gadgets, clothes, or furniture into money that you can use for something new or save for a rainy day. Many platforms make it easy to sell. With just a few clicks, you can list your items and reach potential buyers from all over. eBay is a popular choice. It's been around for years and has a large user base, which increases your chances of making a sale. You can sell almost anything on eBay. From electronics to collectibles, there's a market for nearly everything. List your items with clear photos. Write a good description. Set a fair price. These steps will help attract buyers and ensure a smooth transaction. Another option is Facebook Marketplace. It's integrated with your social network, making it easy to connect with people in your community. It's a great way to sell locally. You can avoid shipping hassles and meet buyers face-to-face. You can connect with buyers in your area. This personal touch can make the selling process more enjoyable and trustworthy. This makes it easy to meet up and sell your items. So, start sorting through your stuff today and turn that clutter into cash. Section 5. Testing, cashback, and more simple tasks, real rewards. In today's digital age, there are countless opportunities to earn extra income with minimal effort. Did you know you can get paid for testing websites? It's a simple task that can be done from the comfort of your home. Companies are constantly seeking feedback on their websites. They want to ensure their platforms are user-friendly and efficient. They need to know if their websites are easy to navigate or if there are any issues that need fixing. You can easily sign up to be a website tester. It's a straightforward process that can lead to real rewards. Another easy option is using cashback and reward apps. These apps are designed to give you money back on your everyday purchases. These apps provide a simple way to earn money back on items you already buy. It's like getting paid to shop. You can earn cash or gift cards which can be used for future purchases or saved for something special. It's a fantastic way to save money and earn rewards simultaneously. Imagine the joy of getting a little extra back every time you shop. There are numerous ways to make money online. From testing websites to using reward apps, the possibilities are endless. These methods are simple, easy, and accessible to everyone. You don't need any special skills or training to get started. You don't need any special skills. Just a bit of time and a willingness to try something new. Start small and see what you can achieve. With consistent effort, these simple tasks can lead to real rewards and a sense of accomplishment.